For this function right here, two functions are multiplied together, right? Then we have to apply product rule. Let's say we have y is equal to function f times g. Then y prime is equal to f prime g plus f g prime. Order of each expression doesn't matter since this is plus, right? We can write this expression first plus this expression next. Order doesn't matter. So what's the derivative of this function? Y prime is equal to derivative of x squared plus 2, that's 2x, and leave this function alone. So 3 minus 1 over x plus leave this function alone, x squared plus 2, and multiply by derivative of this function right here. So that's going to be 0 minus, since 1 over x is equal to x to the negative 1, derivative of x to the negative 1 is negative 1 times x to the negative 2. So if we simplify this, 2x, 3 minus 1 over x, plus x squared plus 2 times 1 over x squared. And if we simplify this expression, that's going to be equal to 6x plus 2 over x squared minus 1.